I know how it really feels to be a bastard and a piece of shit to accommodate unsuitableness and always enduring. At least I now know how to truly love when you're a strange personality and everyone is avoiding you. I know how fighting against oneself, being on a life-earning battle that you fully know you won't win and you keep the guts to fight. I know how it really feels for an unmended broken heart to be a solitary subsister just to experience its inmost. I know when to quit when you don't even want to. I know where to hide when you have nothing to hide. I know how to outcry when everyone is around and none of them ascertains. I know how to believe when I'm believing nothing, just to restrain the accusals for the next day's repose. I really know how it feels looking unmended and felicitous while with a famishing solivagant. I really know and comprehend life. I know how to come back when you really haven't left, for I mastered how to hold if you've got no other choice. I know what to lie to those who only believe lies and fear facing the truth just to hide their true colors. I never can't abnegate that life is about choices that one lead on their own before they belong to the norms. I just know what I don't know just to make my circles proud and feel what I don't feel just to fit their rude stains. I know the ups and downs of incurable dreams that haunt you for a lifetime and never allow you to dream. I know why I'm just me and know why I don't mind, for I'm that bird in the downs that knows where people's venom. I know what I shouldn't know, for they don't know how to know that, but I'd ride in knows of knowing. I truly know what it is to belong where we never belong, just to belong in the moment.